Hi there, Sophia here. Thank you for stopping by today. I am so excited to share with you that Merit Beauty is having their annual sale, and it's 20% off of all their products across the board. I want to thank them for collaborating with me on this video and sending me two products that I'm in love with. I want to show you the first one, which is incredible. This is their Great Skin Glow Serum. It is stunning on your skin. The reason I love Merit Beauty so much is because the founder has created a line that makes you look better in a way that's healthy. In other words, these products are clean, they are hydrating, they are beautiful on the skin, they feel fantastic, and best of all, you can use them every day, morning and night, and your skin just looks better with them on. So this one is the serum. You have to shake it up first, and then I usually use 2 pumps of this. Today I have a clean face, so I'm going to show you how beautiful this looks. You just take it, press it into the skin, and suddenly there is this glow on your skin that is so hydrating, and really it just makes everything else go on so beautifully with it. I like to use this with their foundation stick, and it can also be used as an under eye concealer. I just paint it on in areas that I want to have just a little bit of it on. I don't like to put too much of it on because a little bit goes a long way. Their brush is just stunning. It works so well to blend this in and give you the most natural, flawless look. As I said, I have no makeup on right now except for the Glow Serum, and you're going to see how natural this looks on the skin. The color that I have is linen. I put it on under my eyes, that little bit, and voila. It just covers any little dark spots you might have, any little tiny veins. I have some around my nose, and I just love the finish of this. The other thing that they have, which is my all-time favorite, is this beautiful highlighter. The reason this is so special is it gives a radiant glow to your skin. It doesn't have any glitter or anything like that that you see right away. It's just the type of thing that when you put it on, it instantly highlights. I like to put it on like that. Sometimes I'll bring it up just a little bit on my cheekbones, but I like to concentrate right here in the middle of my face so that when the sun hits it or the light hits it, it's illuminated. And this is, I believe, really one of their most gorgeous products. Everyone I have recommended this to has loved it. The color is the Cava. They have another color as well that's very beautiful. After this, then I put on their Flush Balm, and this is stunning. This one is in Beverly Hills. Super easy to get ready. I just put it right here, right up high on my cheeks. See how natural that looks then. I just tap it in to both sides. Your skin feels dewy, soft, radiant. You know, put a little bit on my nose sometimes. The other product I want to get from them is their bronzer. That one looks stunning. But if you get this one in a darker color, you can always use it to contour and put it up here and, you know, under here, wherever you like to contour. This works so beautifully, and it does last a long time on your skin. If you want to touch up, you can also just take it with you in your handbag. The other product I want to show you that I am in love with, and I have it in other colors, but today's color, the one they sent me, is called Pink Beet. I have more of a gold tone in my skin, so I don't really wear pink too much, but this mauve, I believe, is just universal. It's a color that looks good on everyone. I'm wearing it now alone, but I have worn it over makeup if I want to just soften a color that's a little too dark, or just like this alone, and you can put it maybe a deeper lip liner to emphasize it. It is so stunning, so delicious. The finish on it, it's just unbeatable. This makes a gorgeous gift. Everything comes beautifully packaged in a little gray box. This is the one for the serum. I think any woman would love this gift, because it enhances your beauty. That's what their products do in a natural way. And the best part is your first order ships with this incredible little bag. It's so cute. It's a very soft fabric, almost like a microfiber, and this caramel color is beautiful. And look at this. You just tuck all your products in here. I do it when I travel. Tie it up, plop it in my bag, my carry-on bag, and I'm good to go, and I've got everything I need. And I also have one more product that I love of theirs, and it is the eyebrow in blonde. This one is so pretty for the eyebrows. It just goes on beautifully and tames your brows and keeps them right where they need to be. So those are the products that I absolutely love from Merit Beauty. Don't forget 20% off. Use my link below. You will be really tempted to try so many of their products because they are gorgeous and they make beautiful gifts. And you can bundle them or you can just give one. I really highly recommend this as a gift. I think this is just so fantastic for your mother, your sister, your best friend, whoever likes to have glowing, radiant skin. And just the packaging is so pretty as well. And on top of that, you get this lovely little bag. Well, thanks so much for watching. I hope you'll go check out their site. Remember, 20% off until November 28th. So go check it out. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. And if you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. I hope you will subscribe because I love doing videos that review makeup, of beauty, hair, and lifestyle. See you on the next one. Bye.